Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a voice chat on Copilot. For example, if you don't like the idea of typing your prompts and requests, and let us guide you through this and show you how it works in 2026. So let me navigate to Copilot here via Microsoft Edge, for instance. Log into your account to make sure that your chats and conversations will be saved. For example, guys, if I navigate to that example conversation here, you will see that if I browse through it, that this resembles a voice chat. For example, I described my request here. Well, just after I initiated the voice chat, I was the artificial intelligence, as you can see in Copilot, started the voice chat sending the first voice message, and this is how it works, guys. So in the first step, you will you will need to make sure that your microphone is plugged in, of course. If that's the case, click into this button in the bottom right corner. Now, I'm not going to do this because I'm already recording the audio for the tutorial. So, this is how it works. You will need to click into this button. And after that, if you do this for the first time, guys, Copilot will ask you for permission to access your microphone. You will see notification in the top left corner with two buttons, allow or block. So obviously you should click into allow. And that is going to give Copilot the opportunity to hear your messages. So use your microphone, speak into the microphone, and make sure that you make, for example, pauses so that you give the artificial intelligence time to react or to reply to your request. And you will see the voice chat here in written form just after you stop recording. So you will see a button like this again, or an X button. Click into it to finish or to end the conversation. You will see the entire transcript of your voice chat here, saved also as a conversation. So it's almost like manually written conversations, just that you're using a microphone for this. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.